One of the easiest ways to make a no-sew face mask is with a bandana and 2 hair ties. If you have those at home, you can make a simple face mask in about a minute. First, lay the bandana flat on a table. Fold the top and bottom in to meet in the middle, and then fold the bandana in half again. There will be 4 layers of fabric. Next, use 2 hair ties to create ear loops. Slip 1 hair tie over each of the ends and slide the hair ties a few inches toward the middle of the folded bandana. Then fold the ends of the bandana in to meet in the middle. You want the ends to overlap slightly so you can tuck one end into the other. This will help keep the ends secure. Wear the mask with the smooth side facing out and the ends against your face. If you would prefer to tie the mask around the back of your head instead of behind the ears, then you can secure the mask with fabric ties. To make the strips, cut 1 inch wide, 18-inch long strips from a t-shirt. Lay the strips down in the same place you would have put the hair ties and fold the bandana the same way as before. You'll wear the mask by tying 1 pair of strips behind your neck and the other pair behind the back of your head. You can also repurpose a knit t-shirt into a face mask. The mask pattern is cut from the t-shirt all in one piece. When you unfold the mask piece, it should look like this, a rectangle with 4 straps. Fold the top to the bottom and pull on all 4 straps to create fabric ties. Just like the last mask, the ties will tie behind your neck and behind the back of your head. For measurements and more information, you can click on the link in the description box.